Hello everyone. Today we will do first part of class 5. Now let's start. Children, in this chapter we will learn about operating system. So, first we all know about what is an operating system. Operating system जिसे OS भी कहा जाता है. Let's start with the introduction of an operating system. A computer is a machine that does not possess any intelligence on its own. An operating system is needed to operate a computer. An operating system is a software which acts like an interface between the user and computer. It controls the overall activities of a computer. It is the first program loaded into the computer. OS is a system software. It is a group of programs which conducts all the functions of the computer. That is a system software. Handles all the functions between the computer hardware and software. Operating system is software that provides interface between computer and user, through which the user is able to communicate with the computer. All computers require the operating system to run other programs. The operating system is a group of many small programs. Computer hardware cannot work on its own. ये तो आप सभी जानते हैं कि कंप्यूटर अपने आप काम नहीं करता है और ना ही एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरेक्ट करता है. इसलिए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम द्वारा किए जाने वाले इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नल के द्वारा ही ये हार्डवेयर अपना काम कंप्लीट करते हैं. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज द फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम टू बी लोडेड इनटू अ कंप्यूटर. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का मेन काम होता है यूजर को सिस्टम के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना और हार्डवेयर को मैनेज करना. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फॉर कंप्यूटर एंड मोबाइल is like soul in our body. Computer is useless without operating system. It is just like a box. Now, features of an operating system. User interface. User interact with operating system by graphical interfaces. Process management. Operating system handles all the process given by the user and the internal action of the system. Resource management. Operating system manages all the resources like memory, processor, etc. Those are attached to the system. Memory management. An operating system assigns memory to various tasks. Operating system tracks every single function of memory. It also frees the memory allocated as soon as the task is completed. File management. File system is used for storing and managing computer files and data. A file is an electronic unit in which the data store resides. Handle network communication. Data traveling from one computer to another in a network are handled by the operating system. Structure of an operating system. The operating system structure is divided into 4 layers. The bottom layer is hardware. Hardware consists of CPU, main memory, and input-output devices. Next is operating system. This includes process, memory, file management, and input-output control. Next, system program. This layer consists of compiler, assembler, and linker. Computer program that uses control of system. Next, application program. This layer is dependent on user need. Types of an operating system. An operating system tends to differ depending on the arrangement of files, how hardware and applications are installed and controlled, and how the user interact with the system. Time to time technology काफी change हो रही है. Also computers have developed a lot over time. The operating system has also been in use ever since the computer was installed. There are many types of operating system: single user single task, single user multitask, multi-user real time. Single user single task. This operating system is designed to manage the computer so that one user can effectively do one thing at a time. The Palm handheld computers is a good example of a modern single user single task operating system. This operating system allows only one user to work at a time. Single user multitask. This operating system allows a computer to perform more than one task at a time. It is capable of switching between the applications effectively. Windows and Mac both are examples of this operating system. This operating system allows the user to run multiple programs. यानी आप वर्ड में भी काम कर सकते हैं, ईमेल भी टाइप कर सकते हैं और गाने भी सुन सकते हैं, फेसबुक भी चला सकते हैं. काफी प्रोग्राम आप वन टाइम में रन कर सकते हैं. Multi-user. The multi-user operating system is the operating system which is designed in such a way that it can be used by two or more people effectively. Unix is an example of this multi-user operating system. This operating system allows multiple users to work together. Real-time. A real-time operating system processes inputs fast. Real-time operating systems are usually used to control complex systems. Real-time का use scientific experiment और industrial control system, air traffic आदि के लिए किया जाता है. Various operating system. DOS, Disk Operating System. It was the first operating system for personal computers. Unix, the programs written on the Unix operating system are termed as portable. It is used on mini computers. Windows, the original version of Windows was introduced for home and business users. Macintosh, this operating system introduced in 1984 by Apple Computers. Apple कंपनी का नाम तो सबने सुना ही होगा. The Mac was designed to provide user-friendly computer interface. Linux. Linux is a Unix-like operating system that was designed to provide personal computer users a free or very low-cost operating system. User interface. Interface is something that helps us communicate with a machine. Many operating systems use character user interface, which uses text commands to communicate with the computer, and others use graphical user interface, which means they use images and icons. कैरेक्टर यूजर इंटरफेस यानी CUI, इसमें सिर्फ हमें ब्लैक स्क्रीन मिलती है और जिसमें हमें सारा काम लिखकर करना पड़ता है. इसमें हम सिर्फ कीबोर्ड का यूज करते हैं, माउस का नहीं. और ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस में हमें पिक्चर्स भी मिलती हैं, ग्राफिक्स मिलते हैं, आइकन्स मिलते हैं, यानी कि जो एक नॉर्मल कंप्यूटर पर आप काम करते हैं, दैट इज ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. Now, differentiate between CUI and GUI operating system. CUI, it is based on character user interface. GUI, it is based on graphical user interface. CUI, more textual and less user friendly. It is GUI, more user friendly. CUI, it is less common. GUI, very common. CUI, it uses only keyboard. GUI, it uses keyboard and mouse. CUI does not consist of any component of GUI, and its example MS-DOS. GUI, it consists of different components such as icon, desktop, pointing device, etc. Example MS Windows। यानी कि जब आप सिस्टम को ऑन करते हैं तो आप देखते होंगे उसमें कुछ प्रोसेस चलता रहता है, तो दैट इज ब्लैक स्क्रीन। डोस बोलते हैं उसको, डिस्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। वो COI होता है, यानी कि कैरेक्टर यूजर इंटरफेस। और जब हमारा कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट हो जाता है, बाद में जो हमें सामने डेस्कटॉप दिखाई देता है, आइकन्स दिखाई देते हैं, दैट इज GUI, ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस। नाउ what is booting? The process of turn on the system and loading operating system in the memory is known as booting. During this process, computer activates the file of the secondary memory and all input-output operations. बूटिंग क्या होती है? जब आप कंप्यूटर का स्विच ऑन करते हैं और जब तक आपके सामने डेस्कटॉप वाली स्क्रीन नहीं आती है, उसके बीच का जो प्रोसेस होता है, दैट इज नोन एज बूटिंग। ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस कंप्यूटर एक्टिवेट्स, जो भी आपने कंप्यूटर के अंदर सारी फाइलें सेव की हुई हैं या फिर हार्डवेयर यानी कि कंप्यूटर के साथ जो भी पार्ट्स जुड़े होते हैं, अटैच्ड होते हैं, उनको वो सबको एक्टिवेट करता है, लाइक माउस, कीबोर्ड, CPU, रैम, मदरबोर्ड, यानी इनपुट और आउटपुट सभी पार्ट्स को एक्टिवेट करता है। That is called booting. Now, types of booting. Cold booting. When we turn on the computer, it performs a test on the peripherals to ensure that all peripherals devices are working properly. If anything is wrong, it display an error message. जब भी ये बूटिंग करता है, जब आप स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो जो बूटिंग होती है तब ये सारे हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स को एक बार चेक करता है, टेस्ट करता है कि सारे प्रॉपरली वर्क कर रहे हैं या नहीं। अगर कुछ गलत होता है तो ये आपको एक एरर मैसेज देगा। नेक्स्ट इज वर्म बूटिंग। When the computer stop working or does not respond, then we can start the system. This process is known as worm booting. लाइक कभी कभी क्या देखते हैं कि हमारा कंप्यूटर हैंग हो जाता है, कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करता है, तब हम सिस्टम को रिस्टार्ट करते हैं। दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज वर्म बूटिंग। Bootstrap loader. The Bootstrap loader is a small program that has a single function. It loads the operating system into memory and allows it to begin operation. It gives instruction as to where the operating system is to be found. Bootstrap loader एक छोटा प्रोग्राम होता है जिसका एक ही फंक्शन होता है एंड जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को मेमोरी में लोड करने का काम करता है एंड आगे ऑपरेशन करने का अलाउ करता है।